Welcome guys back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cook some barbecue chicken wings, but I'm gonna do it in a different style. In here, I have some chicken wings already marinate, but in this marinade is some blended garlic, onion, spring onion, and thyme, and a bit of ginger. And on it, I put a bit of jerk marinade over it. So what I'm gonna do, here I have my metal skewers. So I'll just keep loading them on this. You can use the wooden one also. This is just personal preferences because I have these to hand at the moment. Gonna try put about 6 of them on this. Okay, then I'm gonna set them aside. Start with the next one. With this you can have it with some nice baguette or toast bread, whatever you feel like to have it with, or some salad. In here I have a bit of barbecue sauce with a bit of jerk marinade. So then I'm gonna get my brush. Then I'm just gonna brush them a bit. I'm not gonna put these in the oven. I will just put it on the grill. There you go. So stay tuned. Now the grill is good to go. I'm outside now, so I'm gonna put them on the grill. Give them a little bit of turn. Brush them a little bit more. Wings are ready to go now. All I need is just a plate of salad. So this is what it looked like. And now the barbecue wings are done, so I'm just gonna place them on the plate. This is what it looked like. There you go, guys. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave positive comment.